Hey, what's up? This is Ricardo, and in this video I'll show you how to remove the inverter from a Dell Inspiron 13 version 7370. If you're looking for parts for this laptop, go to our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. Unscrew and remove bottom base. Now unscrew and disconnect battery. Now peel away adhesive from wireless card. Then unscrew and remove wireless bracket. Now disconnect antenna cables and remove wireless card. Next, disconnect display cables. Now unscrew and remove display assembly. Now use a thin object to pry apart and remove hinge covers. Now pry apart screen from back cover. Now disconnect and remove inverter. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you need more, check out this playlist to watch other tutorials for your laptop. You can also click here to find parts for your laptop at partspeople.com.